So beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. So today, Friday Freebie. This is your free printable. I love it. I must admit, secret, I am loving it. This page here has been designed from this month, so VIP Lounge papers for the month of June. The VIP Lounge is my subscription. In case you're not familiar with my channel, is subscription that every month you get digital papers, you got discount code, you got 3D gift boxes, you get a private video showcase how to put the gift boxes together. But let me show you in detail before I'll tell you where to find this. Let me show you the papers for my subscription for this month. Guys, so for June VIP Lounge papers, I'm gonna show them in just a second. The inspiration was Wicked, the movie. To be precise, mostly the color palette. So the color palettes from these papers are mainly compound of burgundy and a green teal. Now it was quite hard because I wanted to get a very strong contrast with a deep rich burgundy with a very light teal and green, so with a touch of course of shabby and vintagey. So this kit is huge. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you all the backgrounds first and then the ephemera. So I'm gonna be a bit quick. So you get loads of backgrounds. You get this one here with a typewriter, the swan, and all the vintage ephemera. Again, the color palette, the colors blend, so you can use these papers together because they're designed again to be mixed and matched. Okay, there is a bonus page at the end which I'm going to show you with the air balloons. Love it. It's probably one of my favorite VIP papers that I have designed, and I put a robin here because I do like the red and the burgundy together as well. Then I gave you a couple of geometric motifs. Again, I kept the same colors, so it's green and burgundy that you could mix and match. So this is one, this is two. It's like a damask but like with stripes. I wanted to mix it. This is my original design, of course. Well, all of our, but I created this these. So yeah, so that's one hot air balloon with the damask pages on the back, and then more backgrounds. So see these, I don't know if you can see it, but these are like 2 pages into one. Okay, so you can treat these as a journal page, or you can fold it in half to create a journal cover if you want. Another background, put some music, some pearls. So yeah, very shabby, very retro. There's another one there. Put a collection of like frames and a mannequin with a little dress. Again, a contrast of geometric and flowers. You know, I obsess with contrast. I'm the man of the contrast. Right, so I gave you 2 pages. This is one, and there is another one on the back, when basically I scaled the backgrounds into 1 page. So you get 4 different backgrounds. That these, in my head, these are fabulous greetings card, because you can just fussy cut them and put your sentiment, or you can use them as a vintage cards, or you can fold them in half and they create like mini notebooks as well, which I think is they're quite cute. So you've got 1 and 2. Okay, so I put the geometric motifs as well, so give you some flexibility on how to use those. Tags, yes, we need some tags. So create a collection of tags. Stamps, so I've got some embellishment there, which we're gonna make some stamps and some traditional stamps. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a video because I know you guys like when I make stamps. We're gonna stamp it together. I'm gonna put some like a proper like postage embellishment. This is probably one of my favorite pages of the kit. I used the film strips to create some embellishment. We're gonna do a video, separate video on this, because I've got some cloth, cheesecloth and I want to make some more ephemera, you get another page with some pillow boxes. So design it this way actually. So this is the tab. I don't know if you can see it. There are some guidance that you need to fold it. Okay, and there as well. Can you see? And then that's the tab that you glue it together. Okay, and then bonus page is this one here. So you got a collection of 6 of a balloon that you can fussy cut it and create anything that you want with them. That's so cute. Again, very shabby, very retro. Okay, and then as usual, part of my VIP lounge, we are doing the gift box alphabet series. This month is letter N, so you get a page with the assembly instruction. Okay, so this is the letter N. Then you get the template. Okay, so this is the front, and because I have some space here on the page, I added some extra butterflies embellishment that you can use. So you got the N and the side. I've done a private video, so when you join, every month you get a private video that show you how to put this letter together. Okay, and that is the back. So that's the back of the letter. And then again, because I have a lots of space, I gave you 2 additional tags and 2 envelopes. Okay, but I'm going to show you what they look like when they're done up. Okay, so this is what the letter N looks like when it's all done up on 3D. And I've got here, oopsie daisy, I've got here the 2 pillow boxes all done up as well. I love them. I wish to receive a present in these super cute pillow boxes. They're very, very lush. I really like them. And these are the 2 envelopes as well. They're done up. Okay, but let me show you the rest of the letter. I got them in here. These are available on my website to purchase now. I had a lot of requests. Of course, my VIP members get them for free, but they are available on the website. I've got A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I've got G, H, I. Then we've got J, K, L, and every letter of course is different. It's got different design. Last month M with the circus, and then this month M. Hey guys, if you wish to join, let me show you on my website where you can find more information about the subscription, my VIP lounge, and how to subscribe. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, now that you guys seen where to find my VIP lounge, let me show you where to get on how to get my weekly Friday freebies. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Truly appreciate your support. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube gets a little notification, so it tells them basically that you like what I make. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up, and then until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.